But let me show you this deal just so you can see the potential money to be made. My name's David. This video is going to be very short, but I want to show this deal that I'm looking over for a friend of mine. He has 4 lots that he currently owns, and he's asking me to manage the property for him. This is in a very below average market. The cost per square foot on the resale side is between $200 and $210. Finished value, not a great market. If you go almost anywhere in South Florida, you can on the low end be twice as high as that, where you're going for $300 to $400 per square foot. But let me show you this deal just so you can see the potential money to be made. So here's the email I just sent him. It's 4 lots, but this is one example out of the total 4 that we're going to build. So right here it is we're saying $205 a square foot and 2,300 square foot. So my suggestion to him is to have an engineer to go ahead and budget about $2,000 to $2,500 to do site grading. But look at these numbers here. So on a house, it's only $475,000, so well under $500,000. Our costs are $300,000. We're building 4, so we're only going to spend this architectural once. So this is on the first one. We'll have to spend $10,000 on architectural, engineering $2,500. We've got permits of about $10,000. So our total soft costs are $22,000. I'm going to charge him a management fee. It's a pretty low management fee, but this is a friend. Puts our total project costs at $366,000. Now this is before the financing costs, so the cost of money. This guy's probably going to pay cash to build this. So this does not include any carrier interest, and this does not include a commission, but this guy owns a brokerage, so I didn't add that in. But here's his profit on the very first home, $108,000. This isn't a bad market. This right here, when I emailed him, I said your profit's probably around 130 on the other 3, primarily because once we spend the architectural and engineering dollars, that number is going to go down significantly. This is 4 homes that I'm about to start building in. This is not a fire market. This is not a market where you can get rich hand over fist. This is a very low cost per square foot market. Even on a very average deal, the first one's going to make $110,000, and then the rest of them are going to make $130,000. Hope this helps. See you on the next one.